So on this riff here, I'm thinking of quarter notes and eighth notes within this kind of boogie shuffle. 1, 2, rest, 3, rest, triple. Eighth rest, 3, quarter rest, triple. As far as riffing goes, I'm just thinking of like a major pentatonic. And if you don't know what that is, if you know your minor pentatonic, so if I'm here on E, F, F sharp, if that's my root and I'm playing my minor pentatonic, if I change my root from second fret to fifth fret to this eighth note, A note on the fifth fret, then I have a major pentatonic scale.